And welcome to Grandad's Reviews. This is another video looking at some of the differences between the XS10 and the XT30 and XT3, and what I found is interesting, useful, and I'm enjoying. I'm going to have a look at this time, very quick video, something that's annoyed probably myself and other people with the XT3 and the XT30, and that is the fact that the self-timer doesn't stay on if you switch the camera off. So if you're doing a self-timer shot and you turn the camera off, turn it back on, you've got to turn the self-timer on. In the XS10, that's fixed. We go into the menu and we come down to the shooting settings. We've got obviously the self-timer, but then we've got save self-timer setting. So that's off as default. There's also another setting here, self-timer lamp. So you can actually turn the flashing light off, which is quite useful, especially when I do astrophotography. I put the 2-second timer on, and it's always annoying that the light on the front of the XT3 and the XT30 is flashing away, counting down, and sometimes get complaints from people saying, hang on, you're chucking a load of light out here. You can turn that off now, which is great. But the save self-timer setting, say as normal, it's set to off. So what that means is, if you go into your self-timer, I've got it on my Q menu, put it to 2 seconds. So it's on 2 seconds there. If we then shut the camera off and put the camera back on, self-timer's gone. So now I've got to go back into Q and reset it. Doesn't seem like a big thing, but it can get annoying. So let's go back into that again. So self-timer setting, save self-timer setting, let's turn it on. So it's on now. I go into Q. I'll turn that to 2 seconds. So it's on. Switch the camera off. Switch the camera back on. Hey look, self-timer's back on. Excellent. But there is one thing you've got to be careful of. I'll turn that off. So if I'm in a custom setting and I haven't got one of the settings I've shown in the previous video, and I'll just show you that again. I haven't got auto update settings enabled. We go into the queue, we turn to 2 seconds, get the red dot that's saying auto update isn't around. We use it. We turn the camera off, turn the camera back on. It doesn't stay on, even though we've got save self-timer settings, because your custom setting is overriding that. So just remember that it's not a fault, it's just that custom settings is overriding it. So the save self-timer setting, brilliant. It saves so much hassle of remembering I've got to switch it back on. You've switched the camera off to have a break or whatever, you need the self-timer, you switch the camera all on, press a button, you go, ah, it's gone off. So that is a very good setting. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and hit that like button. It all helps the channel. And until next time, see you later.